Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright, today I'm going to do a soft glam makeup tutorial, nothing fancy. I just wanted to play in some makeup, and I haven't posted a video in a while, so yeah. I put on my lip plumper. I use it as lip gloss, but I put that on my lips, and right now I am putting on brown and pink eyeshadow in my crease. Okay guys, right here I'm using my Rich Honey Concealer from Farmasi. I'm going to place that on both of my lids. Okay, right here, I'm going to blend out the concealer, and after I'm done blending it out, I'm going to put on my Prep and Prime Translucent Powder by MAC on top of it. Okay, right here, I'm just blending out the eyeshadow that I put in my crease, and then I'm going to use a shimmery pink color and put that on my lid. I'm going to use my liquid eyeliner from Farmasi. I had to do it off camera just so I can make sure I got it right. But I'm going to use my Stay Matte foundation in shade 103 from Farmasi. I'm just going to place that all over and then blend it out. going to use my concealer again, and I'm going to put it under my eyes and on my nose. And then on top of that, after I blend it out, I'm going to put on my Prep and Prime translucent powder. Okay, as you see, I'm just wiping off the powder. I totally forgot that I had powder on my chin, but it's okay. Okay, I'm going in with my favorite blush by MAC. I'm going to put that on my cheeks, and I love to put it on my nose. Then I'm going to use a highlight and just gently place it on my cheekbones and on my nose. Instead of using eyelashes, because I have a difficult time putting them on, I'm just going to use my Zen mascara from Farmasi. Please excuse my bra straps showing and my sleeve all up. I was not paying attention. Now that I'm all done with my face, I'm going to spray it with my Tom Locker spray from Farmasi. And I'm going to put on my lip gloss, my Miss Sparkle lip gloss from Farmasi. I want to say this is in the shade Bubblegum. And this Soft Glam makeup look is all done. I thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.